SBC Fulfillment would like to present the SBC Warehouse Management Connector. At SBC Fulfillment, we specialize in providing our clients with internet fulfillment solutions that are designed to improve the way a company's goods are bought and sold online. Whether you're looking for customized e-commerce fulfillment or just want to be able to view your company's inventory online, SBC Fulfillment has everything you need to ensure your products are readily available to your customers all over the world. SBC Fulfillment has developed a core suite of technology applications and services that bring together a balance of functionality, scale, reliability, and innovation. The SBC Warehouse Management Connector can combine the power of Magento with a solid warehouse management system offered by SBC. The SBC Warehouse Management Connector can help your business excel in inventory control, order management, and shipment processing. Let's take a look at the setup. Once you obtain the user license, you'll need to set up the connector. Browse to the System tab, Magento Connect, and click on Commercial Extension Manager. We're then going to click Install a new extension. Where you can enter the appropriate information into each field provided. We can now look at how the WMS is configured now that it's installed. Browse to the System tab and click on Configuration. On the left, along with the other configuration options, you'll notice the tab for Smart Term Configuration. Clicking on it brings up the Magento Setup section. Here, you can enter your username and password along with the WSDL for each API for Magento and the WMS. The Sales Order section allows you to enable or disable automatically sending orders to the WMS and allows you to set an owner name for each Magento store. Inventory is updated by Magento, but it can also be synchronized with the WMS periodically. And of course, shipments can be brought down into the WMS and created in Magento. The configuration scope allows you to set configuration settings for each of your Magento stores. This allows the data to be separated by owner name and also by store name. Configuration is simple for any user, can be specific to each Magento store, and controls all three phases of the connector. Let's look at the connector in action. We'll add an item to our cart the same way a user would. This is all I need, so I'm going to proceed to check out. I'm going to select my billing and shipping information. Select the shipping method. Once the order is submitted, the connector goes into action. Information is pulled from Magento using the API, it's validated and submitted to the WMS for processing. If there are any errors in the process, such as an invalid WSDL or network problem, the order is processed anyway, along with payment, and an error message is entered into the server's error log. Once the order is completed, an order number is returned to the customer. Now let's take a look at the admin interface and see what just happened. We'll open up our sales order and pull up the most recent one. Here you can see the order status is pending. And we have a new comment in the comment field that references a WMS order number. Now that we have a Magento order, let's take a look at the SBC WMS. Click into Sales Orders. Highlight the order that came from Magento and view it. As you can see, the Magento order number is saved as a WMS order external number in the WMS interface. All of the billing and shipping information is submitted along with the correct items and an order total. This order can now be shipped into WMS. The order in Magento is still processing. Periodically, a cron job is run which pulls down new shipments from the SBC WMS and submits them back to Magento. Let's go ahead and add some tracking information. At this point, I'll go ahead and run the job that would normally be scheduled by cron or by the Windows Task Scheduler so we can see the results. Control over how the cron job is run can be handled by the Magento cron interface. Here we can set how often schedules are generated and how often error and success data is purged from the table. More granular control over the cron jobs is handled by a simple configuration file included with the module. Let's go ahead and take a look at our sales order again. You'll notice that the order status has changed to completed now that a shipment exists. Let's open up the shipment and see what was created. Here we have the completed shipment with the tracking information that was entered in the WMS. We also have the shipment number in the order comments, and partial shipments can also be created. For more than a decade, SBC Fulfillment has been assisting businesses with building meaningful, long-term relationships with their customers. At SBC Fulfillment, we believe that excellent customer service can help a business grow tremendously. With the organization and efficiency offered by SBC WMS and the Connector, you can give your customers an amazing shopping experience.